Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can add a new payment method in your iPhone. You have simply follow the steps to do that. Simply you just have to tap on your setting of your iPhone, just tap on a setting, and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it from here. You just tap on general and just scroll down and just go to the VPN and device management, and just here you will disconnect the VPN from here, and simply you have to go back and just tap on your Apple account, and just tap on Apple account and just simply go to the payment and shipping section. Just tap on that and just wait for a second, and simply you have to go to that interface and you just add a new payment method here. Just tap on credit and debit card and just require the details just like number, expiry date and CVC. Just tap on that and also add a billing address of your current residence. So just tap on done and your new payment method gonna add. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.